Hello everyone. Today I am going to start theorem number 23 and theorem number 24 from the chapter circle. So read the theorem number 23. Theorem number 23 is the converse theorem of 22. So recall theorem number 22 first and then start theorem number 23. The perpendicular to a chord from the center bisect the chord. That means suppose this is a circle. Okay, and you have provided a chord. Suppose this is a chord AB and center of the circle is O. Okay, what is given to you? A circle with center O, and suppose this, it is given OC is perpendicular on the chord OP. That means this and this is the 90 degree. And then we have proved that what? AP, sorry. It will be AC and this will be BC. So this part and this part will be equal. So first you construct joint AO and BO. So proof part, in triangle OAC and triangle what? BOC. You can see that this part and this part is 90 degree and OC is equal to OC, OA is equal to OB. So you can write OC is equal to OC, it is given, and AC is equal to BC, it is also given, and you can write OA is equal to OB and OC. Okay, AC. Where it is the AC? Oh, sorry. OA is equal to OB and angle OCA. OCA is equal to angle OBC. OBC is equal to 90. It is also given. Okay. Then this is the radii. So we can say that therefore triangle OAC congruent to the triangle BOC by the property of RHS. Therefore easily you can say that AC is equal to BC by the CP/CT. Hence proved. Okay. So this is the theorem number 23. Now see the theorem number 24. Equal chords of a circle. Suppose this is a circle having equal chord AB and CD are equidistant from the center. That means suppose O is the center and draw perpendicular OP on AB, OQ on CD. Then we have proved that OP equal to OQ. So suppose it is given chord AB is equal to chord CD is given to you. To prove that OP is equal to OQ when OP is perpendicular on AB and OQ is perpendicular on CD, and join OB and OD. Okay. We know that if see the proof part, if OP perpendicular on OB, then P will be the midpoint of chord AB. Therefore, you can write BP equal to half of the AB, BP equal to half of the AB. Similarly, DQ half of the CD. And since we know that AB equal to CD, it is given. If AB is equal to CD given, then easily we can say that BP is equal to DQ. Either replace AB by CD or CD replaced by AB. Okay. Make this equation number 1. Now in triangle where OBP and triangle ODQ, you can say that we have already proved that BP is equal to what? DQ from equation 1, and this angle and this angle is 90 degree. Angle OPB equal to angle OQD is equal to 90 degree. Why? Since OP perpendicular on AB and OQ perpendicular on CD, and OB equal to what? OD. Why? This is the radii. Therefore, you can say that triangle OBP congruent to the triangle ODQ by the property of RHS. Okay. Then we can say that what? OP equal to OQ. Therefore, OP equal to OQ by CPCT. Hence proved. Hope there is no any problem in these two theorem. Okay, so please make a note and try to solve the exercise what? 17a as per possibility. Please make a note.